Learn how to install Linux, and the method of installation, we are going to use the installation through hypervisor, and the distribution is Ubuntu. There are some prerequisites of installation is that you should have enough resources on your laptop or on your server, and you must have an ISO file. Let us start. Let me share my screen. So as you can see my screen, I am going to give a name to the VM, which is Ubuntu. Then after that I will select the destination folder in which the files are going to store, and then I will select an ISO image. Now select your desired memory and processors. Select the virtual hard disk size and finish it. Then start the installation. The BIOS process is completed. After that we can see this installation screen. Preparing to install. Select your desired language. Accessories. Keyboard layout, which is the English US. And for now I do not need the internet, and I am going to skip the update process. Select the install Ubuntu. Select the interactive way, not the automated way of installation. And the difference between interactive and automated is you can select the desired options by yourself in the interactive way, and in the automated version there is a file called autoinstall.yml, and by selecting this file the operating system gets installed automatically. Give your username and password. Select your time zone. Review your settings and then press install to start the installation. Today we learn how to install Ubuntu operating system by using this hypervisor. So as you can see on my screen, our Linux operating system is installed, and after installation we are logging into the Ubuntu, and on the left side we can see the menu. We can see the menu and the different options on the left side bar, and the black screen appearing in the middle is called the bash or terminal. By using this terminal you can select give your input in the form of commands, and the system will reply its output according to your needs. I hope you will like this. So I hope this video will be informative for you, and don't forget to like and subscribe and share it with your friends, and thank you.